Man held with firearm at polling station in Olympic Way, Kingston. Man allegedly assault cop enforcing law restricting sale of alcohol during an election. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The police in St. Catherine are seeking to capture a man who on Monday allegedly assaulted a policewoman at a bar in Crawles District, Riversdale, Spanish Town. They say she was a part of a team that was enforcing the law governing the sale of alcohol during an election. The police report that about 3:50 p.m., the policeman entered the bar and instructed that establishment be closed until the conclusion of the voting. Polls for Monday's local government election opened at 7 a.m. and closed at 5 p.m. Under the law, all establishments licensed to sell alcoholic beverages, including bars, nightclubs, and liquor stores, must be closed 1 hour before the opening of polling station and remain closed for 6 hours after closing of voting. Following the order for the bar to be closed, a male patron reportedly became boisterous, and when accosted, he allegedly assaulted the female cop. He managed to elude capture and was being sought up to late yesterday evening. The police will be continuing search for this individual with a view to prosecuting him, an inspector stated. One man was arrested following the seizure of a firearm at Olympic Way, Kingston 11 on Monday, February 26, during the local government election. Reports from the Huntsby police are that about 12:50 p.m., the suspect was at a polling station in the area when he was seen acting in a manner that arose the suspicion of the security forces. He was accosted and a knapsack he was carrying searched. One Glock 26 pistol fitted with a magazine containing 5mm cartridges was found in his possession. He was arrested in relation to the seizure. However, his identity is being withheld pending further investigations.